How to fix GTA 5 an error occurred while authenticating with Rockstar Games services. Now, the very easy troubleshooting step that I'm going to be providing you are the generic ones and the most popular ones as well. But before doing this, you have to make sure that whether from your Steam or from your Epic Games or Rockstar Games is not currently running on the background. To double check that, just simply head straight into your task manager. And then for you to have all these options, just simply click on more details. And then under processes, performances, startup, details, and services, make sure that there is no GTA 5 that is currently running, whether it's from Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Games. Now next is go into your Windows icon, type in CMD, make sure to run as an administrator, and the command that you need to do is to type in ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. Enter. And next is going to be config. Now go back. Ipconfig forward slash um, renew. Enter. And then ipconfig again. Space forward slash release. Now exit. And once you've done all those commands, just simply restart your PC and try to rerun the whole game again. And that's basically it. That's how you can go ahead and fix GTA 5 error occurred while authenticating with Rockstar Game Services.